It is Saturday, September 13, 2025. It is 14:53 in the afternoon, right here in the City of Warrenton, Oregon, on the north coast, right here at the fire department police station. And they just installed their new tsunami warning siren speaker on the tower. It is a Whelen WPS-28 or 2900. I think it's a 2800. But this was recently installed because I did see that on my Facebook feed several weeks ago. So this caught my interest. So they must have acquired it from Cannon Beach, because Cannon Beach recently upgraded their tsunami system and replaced their speakers. So this might be a former Cannon Beach tsunami speaker siren. I don't know exactly what day they test the siren, but other cities along the coastline tend to test it like on the first Wednesday at 11 a.m. So if you zoom in here, you can see the discs stacked up together. Looks like it's on a tripod, like something that holds up your camera. So anyways, there you have it. Warrenton tsunami speaker, Oregon North Coast. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.